In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Reddit to your website using WordPress. Whether you're a blogger looking to integrate the latest subreddit discussions or a business trying to seamlessly incorporate community interactions, this is the perfect guide for you. Our aim is to walk you through this process in just about 5 minutes, ensuring you can quickly enhance the interactive feel of your site. First things first, head over to wordpress.com. It's a familiar hub for many, but let's make sure we're starting on the right foot. Once there, your next step is to locate and click on the Login button. If your browser saved your credentials, this will be a breeze, otherwise enter your details as you usually do. After logging in, you'll be prompted to continue with Google. Go ahead and click that option. Now, if you have multiple Google accounts, a list should pop up, allowing you to choose the one associated with your WordPress site. Make sure to select the correct one so your account seamlessly connects. With that done, you should find yourself on the main dashboard, the control center for your site. On the right panel, there's a quick links section. You need to click on Edit Site, which will take you directly to the editing interface of your WordPress site. From there, we're moving towards the top left corner where you'll notice an Add button meant for inserting new blocks into your site's pages. Clicking this will present several block options you can add, but for our purpose, simply type Reddit in the search bar. You should see a Reddit embed option pop up almost immediately. Go ahead and click on Reddit embed to integrate this functionality into your site. And just like that, congrats, you've successfully added Reddit to your WordPress website. With this feature, your site visitors can stay updated with the latest posts, comments, and lively discussions straight from the platform, enhancing user engagement significantly. Remember, you can customize where this block shows up and how it fits within the overall design by experimenting with different layouts and styles that WordPress offers. This process is an efficient way to keep your community informed and entertained, creating an immersive experience without leaving your site. Feel free to explore more about integrating different features and widgets in WordPress to boost the interactivity and functionality of your website. Thank you for joining this tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider checking out our other videos for more quick tips and tricks to enhance your web presence.